Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leah if you're new here, and today I'll be doing a semi-empty apartment tour. I say semi-empty because at this point I had my main things delivered, such as my bed and also a little table nook that I have in my kitchen. So starting here by the door, when you first walk in, to the right I have this giant red wall. And then here I'm kind of just showing you the hardwood floors, laminated floors that I have in my studio. And then here on the left, I actually have a little yellow wall that's a window to the front of the property. And then here I'm just showing you a quick little overview of the layout. As you can see, I have a little hallway to the left, and then as I'm walking to, I'm actually going into my kitchen, and this is a studio apartment. So right here I'm showing you guys that little table nook thing that I did mention in the very beginning that got delivered before I even seen my place. And yeah, I think it fit really nicely right here by the windowsill. And then this is kind of just an overview of the kitchen. It is pretty tiny, however there's really good upgrades to the apartment. And yeah, brand new refrigerator, brand new stove, and like all new appliances. The stove is gas. My only con is that everything is super high and I need a step stool to like reach any cabinets. And yeah, very nice kitchen. And then here really quickly, I'm just showing you my back door. It doesn't really lead to much, but I do have a little small space outside. Not much to like really put a chair out there, but I do have a back door. This is me just showing y'all the struggle. Everything is super high. And then here I'm just showing you guys my AC unit. Not a lot of places I looked at had an AC, so this is definitely a plus, even though I don't really plan on using it very often. And then here I'm showing you my new bed frame that I bought. I bought this one in particular because it did have that pull out by the feet of the bed, which I plan on using for like PJs and stuff like that. And then from this point, I am walking to my so-called hallway, I guess you could say. And then right here on the left, you can see my closet, which also has extra storage on top. Again, I can't reach anything. I need a step stool, but it is great space, and I really do like it. And now I'm turning a little bit to the right, which is still also in the hallway. And I do have this little nook area, as I call it. I do plan on putting maybe like a little bench or a lot of my dream catchers or something right there. It is a cute little space, and I want to put some type of furniture in there. Now that we're at the entry of the bathroom, here is a little peek of my bathroom. I really do like the brown and the tile in my shower. I think it's very pretty, very modern. It's a decent sized tub. It could be bigger. And then I do have this little window right here to the left. It is kind of strange. I mean, it does have that type of glass where you can't necessarily see through, but you still can kind of see the silhouette. So I do plan on putting something maybe more private in that window. And then here I'm just showing you guys my medicine cabinet, which is also good because it does have a mirror on the inside and on the outside. And then here's my toilet. Me also showing how high my actual ceilings are in my bathroom, which is really good because it does make the space feel a lot bigger. And it is a pretty decent sized bathroom, I would say. So yeah guys, I really do hope you enjoyed my video. I kind of forgot to film an outro to this video, so I'm editing it right now and I actually just realized. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little studio tour, and make sure you hit subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Remember, dreamers into doers all 2019.